What's up, bros and ghouls? Today I'm going to show you how to create a super easy look inspired by the 2018 film Venom. I created this version of the look because I had done a Venom body paint before and didn't find it to be practical for most people. 2 to 4 hours of work just to freeze your nipples off trick-or-treating doesn't sound very fun. Start by applying a brown shadow to the eye sockets, crease, and lower lids. I'm essentially weathering my face to appear more exhausted, just like Tom Hardy in the scene of the film. Next, apply black eyeshadow using a flat brush. Cover the lower eyelids, crease, and eye sockets, blending into the face. Avoid the upper lids as these will be filled in later. Scrunch your face and continue applying brown shadows to the brow lines, nose wrinkles, forehead wrinkles, and crow's feet. Again, we are aiming for exhaustion. Pretend you haven't slept in days. Next, using a fine tip liner brush, apply Mehron Paradise Black to the central eye socket. Create a series of stylized tapering lines, just like the scene from the movie. Pull the lines out into the face in succession, varying the length and width. Crossing the lines and giving them a loose flow creates a more symbiotic effect. Be sure to reference an image from the scene and avoid the upper eyelids as these will be filled in later. Reapply any brown or black base shadows as needed to intensify the eyes. This also creates a more dramatic effect. Repeat the same process around the other eye. When your symbiote lines are complete, begin filling in the upper lids with a blue base color. I applied a light blue from the Mehron Brilliant palette. Next, outline the lids with a deeper blue and blend towards the center. Outline the lids with black as well. Create a white highlight at the center and blend out. Put in your best set of monster teeth and your look is complete. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, and subscribe.
We are Venom.